Hey there friends, let's talk about Fami. Alright, so first off, let me know where you're at in the comments with this, because I'm seeing a lot of people in different sectors with this stock right now. We've got a lot of short-term players, we've got a lot of long-term players, and we've got just a lot of players literally in here for the next 30 days, and we're going to talk about why that's important, because this is pretty much, this month and next month are going to be really big for this stock, and this is why so many people are talking about this big squeeze that is coming with this stock. And I'm going to be completely honest with you, I am very bullish on this company, this stock, but I'm also very bullish and confident that we're about to see a big run on this from this week to the next 45 days that could take place at any time going into November. And let's talk about why. So right now this stock, the big thing that everyone is talking about is that they need to catch and ride a dollar bid price right now to stay on the NASDAQ, and they have to hold that dollar bid price for at least 10 days consecutive. But then if they do not meet that, they still have 180 calendar days of a grace period. Now, why is this so important? Because these are special little things that we run into here with stocks in the stock market, and I've seen these kind of things either make people really rich or do some damage. And like I've said plenty of times, being in a reverse split or something that just terrible goes wrong obviously is not fun. But I am very confident that this stock is going to run up, because this is a company that right now actively as we speak is making a lot of different big moves to further their company, to further their stock and their nuts and bolts of what they do on a day-to-day business to bring in money. This has to happen by November 30th. So we are looking at almost 2 months right now before this happens, obviously a little less than 2 months. I have been in 2 situations like this before, and they have worked out where the stock is squeezed and shorted up to the price it needs to be. Now, with everything, there is risk. Could this go wrong? Abso-freaking-lutely, and anything's possible in the stock market. On the other hand, could this go really well? Absolutely, anything is possible in the stock market. So this is the one big situation that you're running into right now with this stock. Like I said, hear me out, I am very bullish in this, and I do have skin in the game. I do have around 800 invested in this, and if you have less or more, we're in this together. So I've got a little bit of change to lose here if something goes wrong. Usually when you see this sort of thing, you're dealing with a company that is in a bad situation where they have no new news, they have no news of prospering into the future. This situation right now with this company, this stock, Fami, they are obviously acquiring into other companies, they are buying into other companies, they are expanding their growth. So number one, I'm very bullish on this company for the future of what they could possibly do. I know a lot of people have been saying this could turn into a $3 to $5 to $10 stock. Is that possible? Anything's possible. But obviously we're going to need to see more news about the deals that are happening. We're going to need to see a quarterly come out, which by the way, we should see a new quarterly here in November. One of the biggest things right now is this short that we are seeing right now. Because obviously, if you have an active company, you're doing all of this business, you're not going to let your stock disappear off the NASDAQ. That would be catastrophic for you as a company. So there's going to be some stuff happening behind the scenes here. There's going to be big pushing, there's going to be a big movement here to get this thing to $1. This is what I am doing personally, because I do want people to know that this is a little risky, a little bit of a gambling situation, but at the same time, I am a firm believer that you have to swing big every now and then in the market to get a big home run here. So to my friends that are looking for the $3 to $5 to $8 to $10 bid price on this right now, I hear you, I am with you. But first, we need to get over these hurdles right now and get this stock to $1 right now. See the next quarterly, see how this deal plays out and what else this company continues to get themselves into. Listen guys, there's a lot of positive news right now with this company. We're not seeing a lot of bad things. especially with a stock that is still extremely cheap. There's people every year that become rich investing into penny stocks. It's not uncommon. People do it a lot. It's not like winning the lottery. A lot of people make a lot of money investing off penny stocks. But right now with this, we are sitting at a market cap of $101.34 million. And then as of 9/15, we have a short interest of 6.71 million with average volume of almost 100 million. And looking at that volume, we can see right now that we are still doing phenomenal in volume. You know, Friday was one of the worst days, and I dare say worst days with volume, almost 140 million in volume. Still very, very high volume we are seeing on this right now. This stock is being traded around quite a bit. And friends, I'm going to tell you something else right now too. This stock is getting more and more popular each week. And it's not because I'm talking about it. I do not have a big YouTube channel. It's because a lot of people are finding this. They're finding the opportunity. They're doing their due diligence on the company. They're looking at this volume. They're looking at what's coming up here with October and November with this stock. And friends, here's something I want to say to you that I want you to think and remember. There's a lot of people that trade money, trade stocks every single day, Monday through Friday. We call them day traders. Day traders look for things like this. They mark it on the calendar. They know this is coming up. I have friends that are day traders. They look for this kind of stuff. Now, obviously, you have your day traders like I'm talking about. They will watch this. They have the patience, they have the time. You also have people that have and can't afford to invest large amounts of money of this until they just make a 15 to 20 to 30% gain and then they're out. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because to get to $1, I don't believe getting to $1 with this is gonna be that difficult once this thing gets going here. I do believe we're going to wait a little bit longer before we see this get there. And when I say a little bit longer, you know, I'm talking like maybe 2 weeks, but I say 2 weeks because that seems like an eternity in the stock market. Trust me, I know. So friends, with all that said, I'm very bullish in this. I am hoping and excited and just wanting to see this work out for everyone. This is what we know. This is what we have to go off of right now. If you're in it, you're in it. If you're not in it, you're not in it. But obviously, if we can see this get to a 50 cent to a 60 cent, and once we see that 60 cent bid price on this, I really think right there we're in the clearing to running up to a 70 to a 80 to a 90. And once we get to $1, that'll be the part where a lot of people will make decisions, because a lot of people will probably sell out at $1 because they know it's hit its mark, it's where it needs to be, and obviously if it does run that much and that long, it'll spill over into $X something. But we're not there yet. That time hopefully will come here sooner than later. So friends, with all that said, listen, I want to wish everyone the best of luck with this, with the stock market this week. Remember guys, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future of yours. Thank you guys so much. You all rock. Thank you so much for your time. I will talk to you very soon, friends. Bye everyone.